Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are here with 3 dash cams that we're going to be reviewing today. They are from a company called 70My. They specialize in dash cams. They have some beginner, budget conscious cameras for you, and then they have some very smart 4K dash cams that do everything you could obviously ask them to do. The company started in 2016, and in 1 year alone, they sold over 2 million dash cams to folks in over 100 countries. These are the 3 cameras that we're going to be reviewing today. This is the 70My 4K T800. I've already reviewed this. This is a full protection dash cam that I really love, and it's literally been in my car since the day I reviewed this. This is the 4K Omni. It offers 360 degrees of protection. It's like the 360-degree camera. I cannot wait to show you this. It looks so cool. And this one is the 4K A800 SE. This is a budget-friendly camera. It still offers 4K, but it's not going to cost a lot of money, and it's going to protect you, your vehicle, and your family. Now, I'm doing this so you can decide which of these 3 is perfect for you. But first, let's talk about 4K video, not the fake stuff some of the other dash cam companies offer. What is true 4K? Well, true 4K resolution is 3840 by 2160 pixels. This delivers crisp, detailed footage, and there's no software upscaling involved. I'll tell you more about that in a second. To capture true 4K, you need at least an 8 megapixel sensor. The smaller sensors just can't record true K. Now, other cameras advertise 4K, but they actually use a lower resolution sensor, like from 2 to 5 megapixels, and then they upscale the image using software. And it may look like 4K on the screen, but if you really zoom in and take a look, it's going to be blurry. You're not going to be able to see the street signs. You're not going to see the license plates. You're not going to be able to see people's faces. And that's what you need to be able to see to fully protect yourself. So why does true K really matter? Well, it's going to help you in 3 ways. 1, it's going to help you in low light situations. This is, before dawn, after dusk, or when it's really dark. It's going to give you the detail that you need. In a traffic situation, should something happen, once again, you can see the license plates. You can see the actual street signs, the people, the places, the things that you need to actually see. And then number 3, it's going to help you with parking surveillance. You park the car and you leave it somewhere, someone comes up and kind of messes around with it. Well, it's going to give you the detail that you need to prove your case. You're going to see their face, you're going to see what they do to the car, you can see the car kind of rocking if they're really pushing on it, or if they kind of crash into your car while it's parked. Those are the details that you will need if you have to go to court. And sometimes you can just scare the other insurance company into settling because you have this true 4K video. Now let's talk about what makes these 70My 4K dash cams so good. First, they offer advanced sensor quality for true 4K. Well, these 2 models right here, this is the 4K T800. I literally just peeled off the windshield of my car, and the 4K Omni, which I think looks like R2-D2. This is such a good looking camera. They both have the latest Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, which has some major improvements over the previous generation. First up, we're going to test the 4K Omni, which offers 360 degrees of protection in a very sleek design. Now with the 4K Omni, of course, you get all the cables that you are ever going to need. You get your rear view camera right here, and you get a 128 gigabyte memory card, which is going to record everything that you need it to record. And of course, you get these little electrostatic stickers that attach to your windshield. So I'm going to put mine right about here. I hope you can see that. And then this just attaches just like that. Look how cool it is. I think this is awesome. Memory card goes right in the side of the unit right here. You can push it in, it clicks into place, close the little door. Then all you have to do is remove this piece right here and attach it to your windshield. They give you a little circle right here so you know where it goes. There, give it a good little push, hold it for a couple of seconds, and then if you need to, you can adjust it this way. And the camera is right here. Look at that. Take this off, and we're good to go. That's really cool. So this is what the Omni looks like installed. I think this is a beautiful dash cam. It looks like R2-D2 to me. Now there is a 360 degree rotating camera, so you never miss a shot. And watch this. Watch what happens when I say shoot vlog. See how it's rotating? The camera is rotating. Okay, I will say hi to the camera. Here we go. Are you ready? Look at that. Hi, camera. How are you? Is that not the coolest thing? Okay, now also there is that Starvis 2 sensor. This is a very stylish design as well. So this is for drivers who want a premium dash cam with next level features, and road trippers and content creators who want to relive every moment in 360 degrees. There's AI motion detection with auto-rotating tracking that captures all suspicious activity around your vehicle, from bumps and loitering to attempted theft, and that is all in stunning 4K. And you can see the camera right there. You can switch it to the rear camera. It will show the time as well, which I think is really, really cool, and that is the correct time. It's self-set. I didn't have to set that. It did it by itself. And like all the 70My dash cams, you can tell it to do things like take photo, it will record audio, record video, it will switch to the front view, switch to the other view, the rear view, and it will, if you say capture left, watch this. See? How you doing? Yeah, it captured left. I think that is so, so, so cool. And of course, the video quality is amazing. We're going to do this again because this rotating camera is so cool. Watch what happens, okay? Capture left. See it move right there? Capture right. It captured the right. And then camera reset. Camera reset. It goes right back to the front. I love it. And take a look at this nighttime 4K video. You can see just how clear it is. This is thanks to My Color. This is exclusive technology that enhances visual clarity. And then Night Owl Vision that produces less noise, balanced exposure, and improved glare control. And take a look as I zoom in on this right here. Just look how clear the video is. Next up is the 4K T800 camera. This is one that I have been using in this car every day. This is an amazing 3-channel, which means it records in front of you, it records in back of you with the back camera, and this is an inside the cabin camera right here that's going to capture everything that happens inside the vehicle. The front and the rear are 4K, and they include that Sony Starvis 2 technology that is really amazing. This one we're going to install right here. I have to leave all the cameras attached because I still have to get the nighttime video. But all you do is you take off this little static clean, and I love, love, love these little, what are they called? Electromagnetic stickers. I just call them static clean stickers. They hide, they don't cover up anything, and then you get your double-sided tape and you place this right there, and then you can aim this one wherever you want it to go to film inside the cabin. This is what the T800 looks like attached to your windshield. There is infrared night vision for the camera. This is going to provide safer rides after dark. This would be great if you do ride sharing, if you drive for, Uber or somebody and you want to protect yourself and your passengers during the ride. You're going to record everything that's going on inside the cabin. Now, this 3-channel recording does protect you from rear-end collisions, side collisions, parking lot window damage. In fact, there are no blind spots at all, so you are 100% fully covered. And as you can see right there, with this, you get all 3 views on your actual screen right there. So that's me waving my hand right up here on the top left. The rear camera is on the top right, and then everything else is the front camera, which I think is really, really cool. And once again, I have reviewed the 4K T800, and I love it. If you want to go see my complete review, there's a link in the description box for you. Please go check it out. And finally, there is the A800 SE. This is a dual-channel dash cam right here. This is your front camera for the front of the car. This is for the back of the car. You attach this to the back part, the back glass right there. And this is for those who are budget conscious, who still want true 4K video. This does have a large aperture lens. That's going to give it better low light performance. This particular dash cam is simple to install. It is simple to use, and this is perfect for the first time dash cam buyers who do want sharp and true 4K. And just look at the quality of this video. It's certainly on par with other dash cams in the same price range and better quality than most. Once again, it's 4K video, much clearer than this 1080p video from another dash cam. Now comes the easy part. You get to decide which dash cam is best for you. So here they are once again. We have the 4K Omni, which is 360-degree video right here. We have the 4K T800, which offers full protection. We have 3 channels, front, rear, and inside the cabin. And then for those who are budget conscious, we have the A800 SE. This is for those who are watching their money and they do want true 4K. It's a little less expensive, but once again, true 4K, and true 4K. A big thank you to 70My for sending me these dash cams. We're going to have more information for you in the description box below, including the prices. And yes, I have a discount code. It's going to save you even more money. So go follow the link, look at the cameras once again, and buy one. Protect yourself, protect your vehicle, protect your family. And as I always say, most importantly, protect your wallet. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. We're back with another video very, very soon. Okay? Bye-bye.